Hello. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate to you some of the printing features of Visual Building. I'm actually using the Visual Building Solo Designer, but this also applies to all versions of Visual Building. I'm just going to finish this project by adding some solar panels. Because it's this image that I'm interested in printing. If I go to print settings, it says that my printer here is the Dell color laser. Now I can't show you printing to a printer, but I can demonstrate what happens if I print to a PDF file. I'm using here the PDF creator. And if I now go to print, it says I want to print to an A4 sheet of paper. Well, that's what happens. The frame there is effectively what would actually appear on the A4 sheet, which if I click that in the preview, obviously I either need to reduce the scale of the drawing or increase the sheet size. And as it's a PDF file, I can increase the sheet size to A3, and I can get all of my project comfortably onto an A3 sheet of paper using that scale. And here's the PDF document I've printed, and obviously I can now use this document supply with other PDF documents. The print function is really used for the 2D views, not the 3D view. If I want to use a 3D view or a 2D view in another document, there's another printing feature I can use, is Save View as Picture. Now if I select the 2D view and select Save View as Picture, I can select the sheet size, the picture size, maintain aspect ratio, and here I can change the file. I can save it as a JPEG, a PNG or a bitmap. Say OK. And there's my image file that I'm saving, and I can also incorporate that into another document. Do the same for the 3D view. Select the 3D view window, then select Save View as Picture. Now this time I can also save this as a 1024 again, but this time I've got the ability to ray trace the view. That means I can calculate the shadows. If I go into there, I can change these various settings. This will be subject to another tutorial. The more settings you have, the longer it will take to produce the drawing. And I can save this as a JPEG, for instance. I need a file name, and I can set the quality, set it to 100%, and it will take 1 or 2 seconds to actually create that drawing. This of course depends on the speed of your computer. And here's the image I've just created. So, 2 methods of printing, and I can then print that obviously to a printer or incorporate in another document. And I would always recommend using the save as and not the print, because once you've printed it and the file is lost, but saving it as a file, you can then print it as many times as you wish in the future. Thank you.